Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Ryan from GeekDoByte. If you want to show your support, download one of my apps, leave some reviews. Okay, so today we're going to start with the basic Hello World app with a little extra. So we're going to be using a label, a text field, and a button. Let's start from scratch. I'm going to delete that. Actually, let's go all the way from scratch. File, new project. So we're going to do Hello World. Okay, so once you create a new project with a single view application, you'll have these files. You have the app delegate, we'll get into that later, your view controller, and your storyboard. Image sets we get to later in my later videos. The launch screen, which is pretty much the same as the storyboard. This is the first screen that appears when you launch your app. Okay, let's get started with that. First thing we're going to do is get rid of the size classes, because right now we'll just be working with iPhones. Okay, so we need our label, text field, and a button. Find them all in here. Code snippets here. We're just going to use the view control items. Okay. So once we placed our items into the view here on the storyboard, we're going to open up our assistant editor right here. And we're going to change to the header file. So now we need to make connections to the header file from the storyboard. The way we do that is we'll click on the item and control drag click. So this is our label, so we'll make this hello label. You can name it anything you want. Hello text. And the button. Hello button. So the only thing that's going to have an action on this will be the button. So we need to create an action. So we'll call this press button. Keep it at the default UI button type. Arguments we'll go over later. Just change it to none for now. And now we have the action created. Now we need to define what the action does. So since the text field and the label both contain strings, we can assign what's in here to the label. So we're going to do self dot hello text dot text. Notice it's a string and a string. So anytime we're assigning a value, we need to make sure it's the same type. So we're gonna, oops, wrong way. I needed this to be label, not the other way around. Labeled self text. Oops, I called it hello text. Text. Okay. So when we press the button, it's going to take the text from the text field here and move it to the label. Let's see if it works. Test. Press the button, and it changed the label to the text. Ooh. So just notice that not everything came up, and that's because the label is too small. So we could either make it bigger here by dragging it across, or you can edit it here. Size inspector, a little ruler looking thing. So we'll make this 200, that can be 50. And then let's add centering. We can also change the color. And this is in the attribute inspector, as you can see. To get here, all you have to do is go to the storyboard, click on one of the items. Let's center this. Okay. And then use one of the buttons here. What else? Let's change the text. I don't like that font. Custom. Chalkboard's pretty nice. Done. Do Control B to build, and Control R to run. Sorry, Command B and Command R. Let's see now. Yep. Yay. Thanks for watching. My next video will be the same thing, but we're going to be coding it in Swift.